Okay, children. So in rationalization, only addition of two fractions after rationalization. Addition of fractions after rationalization. Like this, there will be children. Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 plus root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. That's it, children. This you have to rationalize, this you have to rationalize, then you have to add them. That's all, children. Very small, small. Easy questions, children, but this is one topic, children. Okay, you can discuss it as one topic. So I'm telling children. So like this it is going, children. Okay, so children, what we will rationalize this first one. All of you see root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. What is the rationalizing factor for denominator? Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. This into this what you get, children? Root 5 plus root 3 whole square by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Okay. In the same way, children, here root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3, rationalizing factor root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Okay, children? So what you get here, this is what, children? Anyone? Root 5 minus root 3 whole square. And this is a plus b, a minus b. There is nothing but a square minus b square. Hope you are able to understand. Now a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab by this count 5 minus 3 2. Again, children, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab by this gone, this gone, 2, children. Okay, so children, this square root gone, this square root gone, this square root gone, this square root gone. What is left over, children? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2, root 5 into root 3 is how much, children? Root 15 by 2. In the same way, 5 plus 3 is how much, children? 8. Root 5 into root 3, how much, children? 2 root 15 by 2. What is the LCM? 2. So 8 plus 2 root 15 and 8 minus 2 root 15 plus root 15 minus 2 root 15 on 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Like this, you are going to addition of two fractions after rationalization. Addition of two fractions after rationalization. Children, anyone have any doubt in this? Children, are you able to understand this one? Yes, when I'm asking question, it is your duty to answer, children. Second question, like this one. Okay. So children, addition only, same. What we will do is simplification. 1 by 2 plus root 3, 1 by 2 plus root 3 plus 2 by root 5 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 minus root 5. Okay, so Ragram, will you do? All
Yes, sir.
ration. Yeah, first one rationalization.
Sir, 1 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 plus 2 by root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3 plus plus 1 by 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5 by 2 plus root 5.
Okay. This is this.
2 minus root 3, sir.
Okay, this is A plus
Okay,
B,
yes,
A minus
a
B.
square minus b square, 2 square minus root 3 whole square
This
plus,
into this.
so 2 root 5 plus 2 into root 5 plus root 3,
Okay.
root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square
This
plus
into this.
2 plus root 5 by 2 whole square minus root 5 square.
Okay. So
Yes, sir. Square,
root square, root
square,
square,
square.
root square gone.
Yes, sir. 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3 plus 2 into root 5 plus root 3 by 5 minus 3 uh, 2 plus 2 plus root 5 by 2 4 minus 5.
Okay.
2 minus root 3 by 1 plus 2 cancel, root 5 plus root 3 plus 2 plus root 5 by 1.
Minus 1.
Yes, sir, minus 1.
Minus 1. So what are you going to get? 2 minus
2
root 3
minus
plus
3 plus
root 5 plus
root 5
3.
plus 3.
This minus we have to give for both of them.
Yes, sir,
This
minus
minus we have minus 2.
minus 2 minus root 5.
So plus root 5 minus root 5.
Cancel.
Plus root 3 minus root 3.
Cancel.
2 minus 2.
0, sir.
Answer is 0. Children, like this you have to do. Very, very easy. Some solution. Only thing is you need to practice them perfectly so that you will not get any confusion when exam is going on. Please copy children. Yes, children. Anyone of you hand it out? Shall I this? Next one. Third one, children. 2 by root 5 plus root 3. 2 by root 5 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2 plus minus 3 by root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 minus root 2. Okay, children. So, Pravalika, can you help me in rationalization of all of them?
Yes, sir. 2 by root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 minus 3 by root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 plus root
5 plus. Very good. So, tell me, this into this is 2
2
into
into root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square.
1 square and this whole thing into 1.
Root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square.
Very good. Minus this thing into this.
3 into root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square.
Root 2 whole square. Very good. So, tell me how.
2 into root 5 minus root 3 by
All roots and squares I cancel. Now, tell me 5 minus
2
3.
by 2 plus root 3 minus root 2 by 1. 3 into root 5 plus root 2 by 3.
So, root
Root
5
5 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus root 2
minus root 5
minus root
minus into plus minus root 2. Be careful here, children. Okay. So, plus minus plus minus. So, minus root 2 minus root 2 is how much, Amma?
minus root
Minus 2 root 2. Minus root 2 minus root 2 is minus 2 root 2. Because minus 1 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is minus 2 root 2. Like this, you have to do, children. This is a continuous rationalization we are doing with the fractions. Okay. Hope you are able to understand. If you have not understood, one more summary discussion. Please see here. Right, children, 1 second. Yeah. Kritika, can you help me? 3 by
Yes, sir.
5 minus root 3 plus 2 by 5 plus root 3. Can you help me?
Sir, 2 by 5 minus root 3 into
Okay.
Plus 2 by 5 plus root 3 into 5 minus root 3 by 5 minus root 3. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 3.
Okay. Tell her.
Plus by 5 square minus root 3 square.
Okay. 5 is 25. Minus.
25 minus 3.
Okay.
By 25 minus 3.
Okay. How much? Tell her now.
22. 22.
What is LCM? 22. 3 into 5 plus
15.
3 into root 3.
3 root 3.
2 into 5.
And
2 into
minus
root 3.
2 root 3.
10 plus 15.
25.
25. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3. 1 root 3 by 22. So 25 minus root 3 by 22. This is the answer. Like this here. Hope you're able to understand. Children. Please copy down. Don't waste time. Okay. So one more sum we'll discuss so that you'll be very much clear with this sum. Suhas, can you tell me how to do the next sum? Suhas,
Sir.
4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 plus. No, plus up, down plus 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Can you tell me individually?
Yes, sir. 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 into 4 plus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 plus,
Okay.
plus 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5.
Okay. This is this.
4 into 5, 4 plus root 5 whole square by 4 square minus root 5 whole square plus
Okay.
4 minus root 5 whole square by 4 square minus root 5 whole square.
Okay. A plus B whole square. A square plus L B square 2AB. 2 for the 8 root 5. 16 minus 5. Tell me. 4 square plus root 5 whole square. 2 for the 8. 8 into root 5. 8 root 5 by 16 minus 5. Okay. 4 for the 16 plus 5 plus 8 root 5 by 11. 16 plus 5 minus 8 root 5 by 11. 16 plus 5 is how much, children? 21 plus 8 root 5 plus 21 minus 8 root 5 totally by 11. Okay, children? So plus root 5 minus root 5 gone. 31 plus 21 is 42. Answer is 42 by 11. You should do like this.
Okay.
Okay, children, next. Trivikram. Trivikram. Nihal. Nandika.
Sir,
Yeah, who will take?
sir, Nandika.
Nandika, take.
Yes, sir. 5 minus root 5 minus 2 plus root 5
Keep
into root
saying.
5 minus 2. So, root 5 plus 2 in minus 1 minute. Sir.
This into this.
Yes, sir. Whole square by 5 root.
No, mute your audio. I'm getting a lot of disturbance. Mute. So children, like this you have to do, children. So a minus b whole square. A square plus b
Plus
square
2 square
minus
2 into root 5 into 2.
a square. Yeah, children. A square
Root 5 whole square plus 2 square minus 4 root 5
This is plus, no? So put here plus. So this is gone. 5.
by 5 minus
This gone. This gone. So 5 plus 4 minus 4 root 5 by 1. 4 root 5 by 1.
By
open,
1.
open the brackets. 5 plus 4.
9 minus 4 root 5
5 plus
minus
4.
9 plus 4 root 5.
So open the brackets. 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus 4 root 5.
4 root 5.
Plus 9 minus 9.
Cancel.
Minus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5.
Minus 8 root 5.
Hope you are able to understand, children. Thank you.
Yes.
Please keep copying, children. Do this time. You have to practice them, children. Unless and until you practice, you will not understand the sums, children. Okay, children. One more sum I will do, and I will stop, children. This is a little bit big sum. Whoever wants, they can tell, children. This is a little bit bigger. Like this sums also will come in addition. Anything is addition, so like this also will come. So 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 4 plus 1 by root 5 plus root 6. No. Root 4 plus root 5. Root 4 plus root 5. 1 by root 5 plus root 6. 1 by root 6 plus root 7. 1 by root 7 plus root 8. Okay. Plus 1 by root 8 plus root 9. Okay, so children, everything is plus only, children. So root 5 plus 6, root 6 plus 7, root 7. Yeah, children, so this they are asking. Anyone wants to tell?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, tell.
Plus 1 by root 2 plus root 3 into root 2 minus root 3 by root 2 minus root 3.
Okay.
Minus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 4 into root 3 minus root 4 by root 3 minus root 4.
Okay.
Plus 1 by 4 root 5 plus root 4 plus root 5 into root 4 minus root 5 by root 4 minus root 5.
Okay.
Plus 1 by root 5 plus root 6 into root 5 minus root 6 by root 5 minus root 6.
We will do first this, then we will do this. Okay. So this it is
1 minus root.
this it is. You have to say this it is. You can't stop in the middle now.
Root 3 minus root 4. Sorry. Root 4. Root 4 minus root 5 by root 4 whole square minus root 5 whole square plus root 5 minus root 6 by root 5 whole square minus root 6 whole square.
Okay, so
Yes. 1 minus root 2 by minus 1.
keep saying.
Yes, sir. Root 3 minus root 4 by minus 1. Root 4 minus root 5 by minus 1. Root 6 5 minus root 6 by minus 1.
Minus means minus 1 plus root 2. Minus means minus root 2 plus root 3. Minus root 3 plus root 4. Minus root 4 minus into minus plus root 5. Minus root 5 plus root 6. So this gone, this gone, this gone, this gone. Okay. Yeah, who is that? Okay. So children, till now we did here. So we have to do further, children. So till where we did this root 5, still we did here we did, children. So can you guess next what you get, children? Can you guess?
Sir, minus root 6
Plus
plus root
7.
9.
Root 7.
Okay.
Minus root 7
Plus root 8.
Root 8
plus root 8. Minus root 8
plus root 9.
plus root 9. Simple guess, children. We can do. So this gone, this gone, this gone. Root 9 is how much, children?
3,
So 3.
Sorry, 3. 3 minus 1 is how much, children?
2.
2.
So answer is 2.
Yes.
In exam, you have to do, children, but here I just asked you, but you have to show everything, children. You have to simplify everything and you have to do. Did you understand the concept, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the description of this video, I'll give some more sums, children. You try to practice, and all the sums also you practice 2 times, children. And if not, you will not understand, children. Thank you so much.